Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.